Sweet potato leaves, just in case you don't know. Look, sweet potato leaves. This is Carter's artwork. Carter, show your artwork. Wow, good job. Carter, what color is this? What color is this, Carter?
Black.
This one?
Black.
No, this one.
Yellow.
Yellow. Very nice. Look at Carter's artwork. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Very good. Sweet potato leaves right there. That's all sweet potato leaves. These are all jackfruit, but just in case you don't know, jackfruit. We wrap it in a big bag. Of course, we just harvest our coconut today. That's my hunter. 1, 2. Where's the black guy? Say cheese, Carter.
What if we cheat?
Good job. And we still have, look, it's resting. Can you see them? Hi, kitty cat. The banana tree, just in case you don't know, that is the banana tree. Lots of coconut, of course, ayan, fresh coconut juice. This is our calamansi, like lime. This is our calamansi.